Okay, so we have already solved one problem. Let's continue. Another example. Let's say we have the integral of x e raised to x dx, wherein we have a combination of two functions again, which is an algebraic and an exponential. So based from our priority mnemonics again, the Liate, algebraic is more prioritized than the exponential. So we will be letting the value of Ru equals to x, then the value of Rdv equals to e raised to x dx. Then as usual, just like what we have done in the latter part, get the derivative of Ru, so that is du, and it is equal to dx. And on the other hand, integrate dv, so that is v equals to the integral also of e raised to x, so that is e raised to x plus c. But for the meantime, we will be not considering first the value of that c. So from the formula, uv less integral of v du, we will just be substituting the values of these parameters. So u is just equals to x, then v equals to e raised to x less the integral of v, that is e raised to x, then du, that is just dx. So we now have x e raised to x less integral of e raised to x is still e raised to x plus c. This can be now our answer, or if we wanted to simplify it more, that will now become x, or that will be, labas lang natin yung common factor, which is e raised to x, and that is x minus 1, then plus c. This could be also our answer. Okay, another problem. How about if we are given the integral of x squared ln of x dx. So before anything else, we would just like to shout out Engineer Abat, whom we have who is our reference of these problems. Okay, let's continue. So for this next problem, we have an algebraic and a logarithmic function. So we have two functions again, which is combined in one integrand. So that is following again our mnemonics, the Liate. Logarithmic came first than the algebraic. So which just means that the value of Ru will be equal to ln of x, and that our dv will be equal to x squared dx. Okay, so getting its derivative, du is just equals to 1 over x dx, then integrating dv, that is just v equals to integral of x squared is x cubed over 3. And forget about the plus c for the meantime. Okay, so substituting again from this formula, uv less integral of v du, u is as equals to ln of x, v is equal to x cubed over 3 less integral of v, that is v cubed over 3, du is just 1 over, this is x, sorry, x cubed over 3 times the value of our du, that is 1 over x dx. So in here, magka-cancel out yung isang x, so may matitirang x squared dun. Then simplify muna natin, ln of x times x cubed over 3 less, ilabas lang natin yung 1/3 para hindi magulo, integral of x squared dx. Then integrate natin yung x squared. So this now becomes x cubed ln of x over 3 less 1/3 times x cubed over 3 plus c. Then simplifying it further, we now have x cubed ln of x over 3 less x cubed over 9 plus c. And this now serves as our final answer. Okay.